Why do some baseball sacrifice plays have unexpected outcomes? Imagine a batter laying down a bunt with the hope of advancing a runner, but instead of a simple O, something entirely different happens. That's what makes sacrifice plays fascinating. They seem straightforward but often surprise us. Sacrifice bunts are meant to move runners forward at the cost of an out. They are called sacrifice hits in traditional batting stats because the batter is expected to be out, but the runner advances. Still, not every bunt attempt results in a sacrifice hit. Sometimes the batter reaches base safely, or the defense mishandles the ball. These variations change the play's outcome and are not always reflected in the official stats. From a statistical view, the idea is that a sacrifice bunt lowers the team's run expectancy. For example, with a runner on second and no outs, the team might expect to score about 1.1 runs on average if the batter swings away. But if the batter successfully sacrifices, with a runner on third and one out, the average drops to around 0.95 runs. That means sacrificing can slightly reduce the chance of scoring multiple runs, but it increases the chance of scoring at least one. So, teams usually use sacrifice bunts when they need just one run, especially late in close games. Unexpected outcomes happen because not all bunt attempts are perfect sacrifices. Sometimes the batter beats out the throw for a hit, or the defense makes an error. These plays are not counted as sacrifice hits but can change the game's flow. Recent data shows that about 25% of bunts with runners on base result in the batter reaching safely. That's a significant number, meaning a bunt can turn into a hit or an error instead of an out. When that happens, the team gains a better result than expected, which can shift the inning's momentum. The skill of the batter and the quality of the defense also matter a lot. Skilled bunters can place the ball where fielders struggle to make a play. A poorly executed bunt might pop up or foul off, which hurts the team. The speed of the batter and how the defense is positioned can turn what looks like a routine sacrifice into a surprise hit. Traditional batting stats give some insight into sacrifice plays, but they don't tell the whole story. Sacrifice hits are a small part of a player's record, often overshadowed by stats like batting average or home runs. But for players who excel at bunting, these plays are a key part of their game. Over time, teams have relied less on sacrifice bunts because they focus more on power hitting and getting on base. Still, the play remains useful in specific situations and for certain players. Managers have to weigh the risks and rewards of a sacrifice bunt carefully. Even though the play is designed to move a runner forward, the actual result depends on execution, defense, and sometimes luck. That's why some sacrifice plays turn out differently than expected. They are a mix of skill, timing, and chance. This unpredictability keeps the game interesting and explains why sacrifice plays sometimes defy expectations. Understanding these factors helps fans see why some plays surprise us and why they still matter in the game of baseball.